The iPortal. It'll revolutionise the lives of thousands of people across the globe. Dynamic Controls, as a member of Apple's Made for iPod program, has connected the iPhone and iPod Touch to a powered wheelchair. And the result will change the way the world sees wheelchairs forever.
For a wheelchair user to be able to get something just off the shelf and to give you so much information and to provide a vehicle to be safe in your power chair if you were lost or stranded, it's a no-brainer really.
Dynamic Controls is delighted to launch the iPortal to allow for easier access to employment, education, entertainment and community. The benefits to the user open the door to endless opportunities.
I'm Charlotte Walsh. I'm the Chief Executive for Dynamic Controls. We're the world's leading manufacturer of electronic control systems for powered wheelchairs, and our engineers pride themselves on creating products for the whole person. We recognise the iPhone is changing the way people communicate, and we saw an application for wheelchair users.
The iPortal not only connects you to the world's most advanced communication tool, it also displays key wheelchair information such as battery capacity and seating. The iPhone sits on a mount and is easily used by those with limited hand mobility. It has an onboard charger, so it's less likely to run out of fuel during the day or night. We're proud of our creation. The iPortal brings a new era to wheelchair technology and invaluable benefit to thousands of users. The iPortal will change the way the world sees wheelchairs forever.